Welcome, today I'm showing you how to activate your Hey Google option into a Motorola Moto E22. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next up, in the top right corner, we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose settings. Now go into voice option and here choose voice match. And now tap here on the switcher to activate your Hey Google. Now need to give access to your assistant, tap next, and I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use, tap continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.